haptic feedback. So this left arm is the prosthetic, and your right arm receives the haptic feedback. To mimic initially coming into contact with the object, we have this button, so you can press the button. And then now you're in contact with the object, and we're going to show you how to grasp and release the object. So to grasp, you want to make a fist, and then release. Grasp. Release. And now we also additionally have a second mode of vibration, and you control that using this flex sensor. There's two states. The lower frequency, which is how your arm is in right now, and that's further away from the object. And then in closer range to the object, you're going to bend your arm. You're going to feel a little bit of resistance, but try to bend it like
90 degrees.
Yeah.
You should feel a higher frequency.
That should trigger the higher frequency state. Yeah.
And now go back to unbent.
Lower frequency. Higher frequency. Yeah.
Yeah. That's
Let's
our
see
demo.
the magic in the box.
Okay.